In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a PowerPoint presentation. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this either through your browser or by using the desktop application, depending on your preference. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you'll be greeted by the main interface. Now, with PowerPoint open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the File menu. Clicking on this menu will reveal a list of options related to file management. Once that's complete, look for the option labeled Open. Selecting this will allow you to access your saved presentations, bringing up a window where you can browse through your files. Next, you'll want to navigate through your available files. Take your time to locate the specific PowerPoint presentation you wish to open. This step is crucial as it ensures you're selecting the correct file for your needs. With that out of the way, click on the presentation file you've chosen. This action will prompt PowerPoint to load the selected presentation, displaying it on your screen. Finally, once the file has opened, you're all set to review, edit, or present your slides as needed. This flexibility allows you to make any necessary changes or simply proceed with your presentation. And that's it, you have successfully opened a PowerPoint presentation.